What's up, guys? We are with the ISF today, and we are going to be ignoring the big and probably expensive elephant in the room and installing a bunch of shit on the ISF that it probably doesn't need. Let's get started. So this is a carbon fiber front license plate cover, which I bought to replace like the black one that I have, which is right here. Yep, this is just your basic metal black license plate frame that I bought off Amazon. I'm going to be replacing this one with the carbon fiber one that I found off Facebook. And yeah, get started. So here it is, the license plate frame. It's got a carbon fiber vibe to it to match with the carbon fiber I got going on the Lexus already. And the F badge on there as well. And I actually found this from a dude off Facebook in the Lexus F group. He makes a bunch of different F related products. Yeah, he's got like the license plate frames. Obviously, he's got the little card holder flip wallets with the F badge on there as well. And he's got the like courtesy lights. Whenever you open up the door, the F badge shines up on the ground. And yeah, pretty cool dude. He's from Norcross in Georgia. But yeah, leave his name right here. And you can go check him out yourself. But let's get started. So, there you have it. Can't really see it. I'll get some shots after, but it uses 3M tape on this end right here instead of the screws that I had in the old one. Not too fond of that, but yeah, looks pretty sick though. Yeah, the front holes kind of line up as best as I could, but yeah, the 3M tape's still kind of exposed back here. So I'm going to get some tape and just tape off these holes, just so debris won't get inside of it. So since I'm not utilizing these screw holes anymore, I stuck on some double-sided tape to tape to this little part right here, just to make it more stable. Alrighty, all done. Doesn't really match the carbon fiber pattern on the Tom's front lip. The weave on this lip looks a bit smaller than this one, but yeah, I'm not too fussed about it. Looks pretty sick. So next up are these custom steering wheel covers. So they're from two different manufacturers. This one's from East Detailing. This one's from Muan off Amazon. Two different materials as well. This one is like carbon fiber / perforated leather. This one is like suede / perforated leather. East Detailing, if you can remember, I got it on my Type S, and the quality is pretty good. And then this one I'm not too sure about. I'll probably end up returning this one, but I'm gonna pop it on and see if it fits the steering wheel first, and then yeah, make a decision after. Disconnect the battery. Steering wheel's off. I'll get started installing the covers. Get back to you later. Alrighty, all done. This is what it looks like. There you go. There's some like I don't know, wrinkles right here, but hopefully once it gets in the sun, it'll even it out a bit. I'm gonna install the other little controls and then pop it in the car. Alrighty, steering wheel controls are on. I'm gonna pop it in the car. Here we go, all done. It's got a nice feel to it. It's got some girth, got some thickness, which I like. Hey, yo! And a fraction of the price of like those custom steering wheels you see on like Instagram, like Elvin or something like that. And yeah,
if you want to, I guess, upgrade the interior of your car, give it a little something extra, you can just pop one of these for like 50 bucks. It's not a bad, I guess, investment. And like the one I had on my Type S held up for like the 2 years that I had the car. So yeah, can't complain. So yeah, some of you are probably wondering why I even bought this steering wheel cover in the first place. Because, well, I had bought the steering wheel from someone who had upgraded their steering wheel from a 2010 Plus ISF with a blue bottom, which I wanted like since I bought the ISF. So I kind of want to preserve the steering wheel because I noticed it was kind of getting scratched up. So yeah, that's the only reason I bought this steering wheel cover. And as you noticed, I used the East detailing one because the carbon fiber one didn't really fit because it's for like a 3rd gen IS. So obviously I thought it was going to fit because I test fitted it. I just didn't sew it. It was like nothing was lining up. So yeah, just had to take that off and then finally put on the East detailing one. But yeah, I'm probably going to sell that one. So if anybody wants it, just slide in my DMs. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to see what I do next to the car other than actually trying to fix it, then stay tuned, I guess. Until next time.
Sash.